Hi, this is Sharad Kirkar, and if you want a smile like me, so you know the place where to go, where to come actually. I'm sitting at Dhaka Dentistry, and you know, क्या होता है ना कि हम जैसे लोग जो शायद शेर से ना डरे, लेकिन दांत दुखता है तो बहुत तकलीफ होती है. And you know, I was suffering from internal some problem with my teeth, and I was ठीक है, दर्द हो रहा है, but it's fine, it's healing. But it increased on a different level, and then I've been introduced to Dr. Dhananjay and Ankita from Dhaka Dentistry, and in one call they called me, मैं आ गया. They explained me very nicely, and I think in one sitting my pain is gone, my root canal is done. Then I became greedy and I said, "Gee, my teeth are a little yellowish, can you make it white?" One sitting done, and you know, there's a stark difference in my smile. I think I'm more confident about it, and thanks to them. Very sweet guys, yes, they're very, very sweet people. I think with me too, I think they are. You know, when you go to any dentist, it's not about the treatment. It's about the treatment which is given to you in that other sense. That they're very sweet, they're very calm, they explain you very nicely, and you know, according to your requirement or maybe your situation or your mindset, they treat you. So I think I had a great experience, and you must try. मेरे दांत तो चमक गए, आपके चमकने की बारी है, देख लीजिए आप. So actually, on a serious note, I had an issue, and my mom especially, she's 71, and she had missing tooth and implant, and you know, I can't see my mom especially, you know, with this issue, and she's a foodie, and she couldn't eat properly, and she was in pain, and I told Dhananjay this is the issue, and I think 2 or 3 sittings, whatever time it takes, but now she मुझे बहुत दुआएं मिल रही है, मतलब she is very happy. All duas to Ankita and Dhananjay also, because it was painless. First of all, that's the most important part, because people are scared. यार बहुत दुखेगा रूट कनाल के बाद या प्रोसेस में, या वो एक साइट होता है जहाँ when they do the root canal and you are scared कि कैसा, you know, I was scared, but it was very quick and easy, and they have a great team. It's a very interesting, I think, atmosphere in the surgery room also. They play nice music according to your choice. So, and they ask you to sleep also. If you want to sleep, they'll manage the treatment. And so it was great. My mom is perfectly fine. She is happy, and now it's the turn of my wife, because she also had a lot of issues. Actually, we all are foodies, so these issues will keep on coming, but we have great hands for Ankita and Dhananjay, and great person who very प्यार से gives me any appointment. Jamila, she never says no, and she's damn sweet. मैं कभी भी odd hours में phone करता हूँ तो she's like, okay, I'll check, and within half an hour she gives me an appointment of my choice, my time. So they are quite easy about it. Normally, you know, किसी भी clinic का time होता है, like from 11 to 6 or something, but they are quite flexible about it. And I have the privilege that they say कि आप morning में आ जाओ, आप evening में आ जाओ, आप 7 बजे के बाद आ जाओ, हो जाएगा. So that privilege I have, you will also get. They say that, means I felt that कि यार कहीं भी और लगे ना चोट, वो दर्द बर्दाश्त हो जाता है, लेकिन दांत का दर्द बहुत बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं होता है. वो सिर पे भी आता है, वो नीचे भी जाता है. It's damn painful, and मुझे तो बहुत आराम है. I'm smiling and happy. All thanks to Ankita, Dhananjay, and endodontist Dr. Nakul. Young fellow यार, बड़ा ही स्वीट सा है वो, और मतलब मस्ती करते करते हम लोग उसने रूट कनाल किया, और मतलब अब मैं कुछ भी खा सकता हूँ. Kind of foodie I am. I am the happiest person on planet Earth कि अब मैं दोनों तरफ से कुछ भी खा सकता हूँ. So all thanks to Akash.